What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be installing some side skirts on the R34, and I'm also going to be installing a new front bumper. Shout out to the homie Thomas from I forgot his shop name, but he painted this stuff, fixed the bumper for me. It is a URAS bumper. I'll show you guys. And shaft automotive side skirts. We're going to be doing that. I know it's been a little while. I honestly forgot if I even recorded doing the Nismo front reflectors and side markets, but we did that. I added some 10mm spacers so it could be nice and flush. That's all I've done. Haven't had much time to mess with the cars. So yeah, mirrors out, little reverse guy. I'm not gonna move it much. Turn the AC off. It's pretty much, and it is cold, but I'm only moving it very little. I hope I don't have to put this thing on jack stands. That would be annoying. Yeah, 34. Put, and let's get started on it. So yeah. So of course it doesn't have side skirts, so there's no really before. Then of course in the front, don't get me wrong, I love this bumper, but I can't find the lip. So time for the new one. Goddamn sausages. Always crying. Come on. Nosy guys. Let them do their thing. Yeah, I'll get started on it. Just like that, the bumper is off. Well, the bumper's off. The paint looks like it matched pretty good. Of course, I took a sample on this. I took the gas cap off the gas door out the car. But yeah, looks like the paint looks pretty good. Of course, that's fresh, so that's what you could see, but so far so good. Yeah, look good. Switch out the park lights. The only thing I might have to trim is for the intercooler. I actually might spray this black right now. Just depends if I have time. Little Grady guy. Grady intercooler. Not bad. So yeah, let's put it on, test fit, see how it goes. So one thing I do want to do is kind of mount everything how it is, use the same hardware. And I'm sure this one was just mounted with one bolt. So I'm gonna measure, drill out. I think it's this one, the one that goes in. Same on this side. Just to keep the same mounting. So, yeah. A little boring, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. So it looks like I am gonna need a trim. Loki! June! Damn dogs. Loki. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to trim intercooling piping a little bit on both sides. So let me get that. But overall, I think the color is gonna look good. The front end is gonna look good. So yeah. So trimming is a lot more than I thought. So my little Dremel ran out of battery. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint this today. Rattle can it, then put the little mesh over it. This is taking a little longer than I thought, but it looks good. It looks like R34 now. I'm gonna let that thing charge, switch off to the side skirts for a little bit, let my Dremel charge, but I think it's gonna look sick. Now, let's continue the side skirts. The only thing on the side skirts is the instructions are in Japanese, but I'll figure it out, see how it goes. I have some brackets, but I actually might need some, so I should be able to run to Home Depot and get some L's, because that's what they are, just to reinforce, I'm sure. But yeah, let me check those out and translate this. We'll get on it. So I'm about to finalize the side skirt. That didn't need much trimming at all. I put the little black gasket so it could look nice. I might have to jack the car up. Not gonna bore you guys with that. And it's taking me a little while because my little Dremel sucks. I still gotta Dremel that side here in this intercooling piping. But damn, it's looking good. I mean, now I feel like I got an R34. This, I need to remove that back wheel to bolt it up, then do the L brackets, double-sided tape, and secure from underneath. But what I just noticed is that my neons aren't gonna show anymore because now I have a kit. So, thank you, Baba. Brought me breakfast. Alright guys, so one side is officially done. Side skirts are on. Front bumper is officially on. Had to trim a whole bunch. That's why you see all that white dust. Fiberglass around the intercooler piping. But patience. Makes it look sick. So yeah, it's clean. So I don't have no side skirts, but we're about to finish it. But I think the car looks so good. The wife came. She said it looked sick. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. And I've always known why bodywork is so expensive. I mean, literally, to fit it right and make it look nice, putting the little rubber trim took me a while. So trimming, fitting, trimming, fitting. That's how it goes. Well, let me finish up the left side and we'll do a little video. Let's go at it. What do you think, Bebe?
Looks good.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
So this
It's
side
really dirty with fiberglass, but
is done.
it is big.
Front bumper is done. Side skirts
Now
is
they all
done.
match the rear.
Thumbs up. Been at it for a couple hours. Lot of trimming, but it's on. A lot of trimming along the pipes. Then this side doesn't have the side skirts yet. Thumbs up.
Yeah, it's good. See, this side doesn't.
Alright, good. So I'll use yours. Let's see. Oh, shit.
What'd you do? You already hit it?
Yeah, I hit it a little bit. It's just 3M. The 3M hasn't settled.
But you bolted on, right?
Yeah.
I already hit my shit. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Now that's a R34 right there.
Cinematics on this one.
I'm doing everything.
Like, you know, the one that they do, like. So finally, almost took me all day. Had to go get some stuff and I got delayed, but approved, babe?
Yeah.
It makes a huge difference. Now it looks like R34. I don't know, it just changes the look of the car so much. I still want to drop the front a little bit.
No.
A little bit.
You're gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it. You're gonna crack it. No, it looks perfect. Perfect. Don't mess with it.
What do you guys think? I think lower the front just a little bit. Just a little bit. But I like how everything flows now. Ooh, that paint. It's not about the G today. It's about the 34. Damn, it looks good. The paint match is good too. Right? It's dirty, but the paint match is good too. Impressive. Nice. I'm happy.
I'm super happy. You're not doing nothing to it anymore.
Nah, that's it. I'm eventually gonna get some nice hardware for it,
You're
but
not dropping it, you're not doing nothing, you're not touching it.
we're lowering it a little bit
No, you're not.
up
No,
front.
No, don't look at it, don't touch it, don't do nothing. Perfect. It's
So,
perfect.
yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think.
Ooh.
Give me a thumbs up.
It's like a wing. Not a spoiler.
Maybe not a wing, maybe a small duck wing, like a small lip wing.
Oh, okay, the small one. You know what I'm talking about? Like the small one.
Nah,
Maybe
nah,
also,
nah,
like,
nah,
the one that goes
nah,
like this.
nah.
What? They're like the original,
Like the
they're
rice?
old. No rice, no duck wing.
I like it.
Duck wings don't go on.
I like it. I like it a lot. But it is a lot lower than the original bumper.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Not to worry. Okay.
So guys,
You're gonna hit. Yes, a wing. A wing.
alright, we'll see. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I know it's gonna be nothing but time lapses, explanations, but the car's done. We're gonna be doing another video here pretty soon. On the next one, y'all might see me with let's do it now, honey. With no long hair, because this is annoying. I'm getting tired of it. No matter what, it always looks frizzy, always gets frizzy, and I'm tired of it. So, yeah, guys, appreciate the support. Thank you for all the new followers. Thank you for all the new subscribers. And if you guys have any ideas or want to see something with the cars, just let me know.
If we get up to, how many subscribers do you have? 400?
I have 600 and something.
Okay, so we get to wait, you said 600?
Yeah.
Okay, so we get to 800, we're shaving your whole head off.
Hell no. Nah, but stay tuned. Like I said, signing off. Thank you again. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.